Oh.
I might take that thing away.
Get it, Abby. You gonna let the chicken get you? Have we had enough of the chicken? I'll rescue you.